step-by-step toothbrushing routine. Created to support autistic children and families.
Brushing our teeth helps keep our mouth clean and healthy. Clean teeth help stop germs, bad smells, and tooth pain.
It is time to brush my teeth. I gently put a small amount of toothpaste on my toothbrush. I am going to make circular movements to brush the front part of my teeth. Now I brush the top part of my teeth using small circular movements. Now I brush my bottom teeth using small circular movements. Now I brush the back of my teeth using small circular movements. Now I gently brush my tongue to keep my mouth clean. Now I rinse my mouth with water. Now I wash my toothbrush and put it back carefully. My teeth are clean now.
Great job.